So this is how to make a trach care kit. This is what the label looks like. So these are the things you'll need. You'll need some twill tape, 2 cotton-tipped applicators, a spoolie brush, split gauze, just one, a packet of sterile gloves, and a drape. That's not finish rated. It's a regular white drape that has no diamond in the middle. We need the tray it goes in and the label, and that's it. So now you just put it all together. So the spoolie brush first, the 2 cotton tipped applicators, the twill tape. It's gonna all go in that one rectangle, spoiler. And the split gauze, you can just fold it over to make it smaller to fit in there. Sterile gloves, and then the drape on top of that. And then use double-sided tape on all the sides, like you see her doing here. When it's a label that's completely off the container like this, just do all the sides. That way the contents don't spill out whenever we store it or put it out for use. It takes a little bit, but it's worth it. And any kits that you do find that you open up and they don't look like this, just follow this video because this is the new way that they should look. So yeah, just add the label to the top of it, press down all the sides to make sure it sticks, and that is a trach care kit.